Welcome back. On the occasion of 100 years of Indian cinema, IFFI will pay special tribute to the father of Indian cinema, Dadasaheb Phalke. A special video featuring Phalke and his wife Savitri will be telecast during the festival. Turkey will be the country focus this year. More than 8,000 delegates have already registered themselves for the festival. IFFI will have number of programs to celebrate 100 years of Indian cinema. A special exclusive video on Dadasaheb Phalke will be a highlight of the festival. The video will feature Dadasaheb Phalke and his wife Savitri. Raja Harishchandra was the first movie produced by Dadasaheb Phalke in 1913. Turkey will be the country focus this year. Some of the landmark movies from Turkey are Do Not Forget Me Istanbul, Hidden Lives, Love and Revolution, The Sun, The Stranger, Trace, Voice of My Father, and Where the Fire Burns. More than 8,000 delegates have registered themselves till now. Organizers expect number of delegates to cross 9,000. Laukik Shilkar for Prudent. Bondla Zoo will be improvised to attract more tourists and create love and awareness in the minds of public. The zoo has been formulated on international lands with the support of Central Zoo Authority. Forest Minister Alina Saldania was speaking at the Wildlife Week celebration.
The slogan, Save Wildlife for Our Own Survival, is very appropriate to the present situation we are facing. The state government has already formulated the Bondla Zoo on international lines with the support of the Central Zoo Authority. In addition to the improved facilities, the zoo has added to its collection a black buck and 3 species of pheasant and a pair of white peacocks. Our department is also in the process of adding more new species of animals to the zoo. I'm also happy to inform that a pair of hippopotamus is expected to join Bondla Zoo shortly. This initiative will certainly motivate and create love and awareness for wildlife in the minds of the public.
Various other events were organized at the Wildlife Week celebration at International Center in Donapal. Poster competition, drawing competition, quiz competition were organized by the Forest Department to inculcate awareness amongst the people on wildlife. Dinesh Karpe for Prudent. Farmers at Moida have complained that one of the sawmill owners has blocked their traditional access to their farm. This has spoiled their farms. However, sawmill owner claims that his mill is legal and is in operation since 40 years. He questions why they claim for road after 4 decades. Meanwhile, Deputy Collector of Mapsa has ordered sawmill owner to clear the access road. Talati and other officials from Mamlatdar office inspected a site in Moida after farmers complained that the traditional access road to their farms has been blocked. Farmers claim that the road block has spoiled their farms. They cannot carry farming machines to their farms. They have now demanded compensation from the government.
वाटेक लागून आमची शेतां अजून पिकोवन आतां पावसाक लागून झडली सुद्दां जाल्यार हे वाटेचो प्रॉब्लेम आमचो जायना. वाट हें जायना, मिशीन व्हरोंक मेळना. मिशीन आमी हाडून दवरलेलें आहा पूण आमकां वाट ना आनी वाटे खातीर आमकां व्हडलो प्रॉब्लेम जाल्लो आहा.
सरकारान ही लुकसाण भरून आमकां दिवपाचें जाल्यार आमी कितें खावपाचें? सरकारान दिवपाची आमकां कितें आमची लुकसाण जाल्यार ती भरून दिवपाची सगळी.
We spoke with the owner of sawmill, Umesh Chari. He claims that his mill is existing from past 40 years.
40 वर्सांची मिल घातल्या 40 वर्सां जालीं आतां आनी हांव ती जागा वापरता 40 वर्सां आनी आतां काय म्हाका जागा मेळची ना. ती वाट आसा म्हणटा तेन्ना हाडूंक घातली न्हू. तेन्ना ज्या टायमार मिल घातली त्या टायमार ती जागा हाडूंक घातली. खरी बाबा हितून वाट आसा म्हणून आनी म्हाका वाट ना खरी म्हणून जाल्यार ती देवस्थानची हें आहा ह्या दुरीगा. आतां तेंच्यांनी हें म्हाजो दोन्न बंद पडटा म्हणून तेंच्यांनी थोडे दीस म्हाका कर तूं दोन्न म्हणून तेंच्यांनी म्हाका सांगलें तूं हें कर वच. देवस्थान म्हाका तशी
प्लांटर ही वाट आसा.
प्लांटर ही वाट ना.
पूण तुमची केस कलेक्टरान चलता.
कलेक्टरान जाता केस.
कितें जालें ऑर्डर
कांयच जावना.
Deputy Collector of Mapsa, Sabaji Shete, later ordered the mill owner to clear the way to the farms.
This office has issued an order directing the respondent to remove the blockades and clear the access as well as the property. and if the respondent failed to execute the order, the Mamledar was given the direction to remove it.
A reporter from Noida, Shamsundar Fatti.
News from sports after a short break. Stay tuned.